Hey, Big Poppa here. I got a Chairman's Picanha, and I've dry aged it. What I'm gonna do, I wanna put some balsamic glaze on it. Then I'm gonna take some cash cow. And I'm gonna take some money, and money's really neat. It's a great steak rub. It's got some essence of competition barbecue. It's sweet, it's got heat, and it's really a fun deal. But here we're gonna go. We're gonna let this sit here, and we're gonna let the salt melt, which is kind of a quick dry brining, but the way we do it with the big salts and the Big Poppa rubs is the salt melts after all the other ingredients take hold here. So the salt kind of melts because it's bigger and it coats it. So we're gonna let it sweat and shine, and then we're gonna put it on the S&S grill and reverse sear it. Smoke it and then sear it. So I'll see you in a little bit. Here we are, we're getting the slow and sear ready. I got a blazing chimney going. I'm gonna put it on the direct side right here. All right, I'm gonna close her up. I'm gonna choke her down. The reason why I'm doing this is I want to get a good cook, but I don't want a lot of smoke on this meat. Sometimes you want a lot of smoke, sometimes you don't. Sometimes your wife doesn't. So let's see how it settles in here. It's right now at 500. I think we'd like it a little less than that. Be right back. There it is, shiny like I promised. We're about ready to put it on. Okay, we're holding 300 degrees. Then we're gonna put the grid on. And we're gonna put the meat on the cool side over here. And I'll be back in about 20 minutes to check it. No probe, go by feel, baby. Okay, it's ready to be put on the sear side. Give it a couple minutes.